Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can delete the cache files on the CapCut PC. So here I've already opened CapCut on my computer. So you can just go to settings at the top, this one, settings, click on that. And then go to settings. Here, click on the drop in here. You can see there is this cache size. So if you want to delete, you can just click on this delete button with the trash can icon. Click on that. So it will doesn't affect the use of history project. So if you want to delete, just click on OK. Now CapCut will remove the cache. You can just wait until the process is done. You can see now the size is 0. Then just click on save. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.